second day of the Komodo trip. Look at this situation, waking up on the roof of the boat. Have been sleeping outside the whole night. It was amazing. And then imagine waking up to this view behind me. The sunrise is on this side, and then all the friendly, nice people behind me just about waking up. The mission of today is to hunt down some Komodo dragons. We are now traveling to Komodo, where we make the first stop and do some tracking. It's gonna be a great day out today. We need to start the day very soon now. I need my coffee and then we're good to go. The morning coffee is now served, and I was thinking, who really invented that you need to sleep inside? It's so much better actually to sleep outside, because you have all this fresh air and all that kind of stuff. I love it. So the plan now is, when we come back from this vacation, I will definitely try to sleep outside more often. Maybe I can sleep by the pool, inside the tent, I don't know, but it is just so great. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Good morning, honey. How was the night? Just entered Komodo Island, so now it's time to hunt down the dragons. You're an excellent Komodo photographer. Very exciting. So we are here in the jungle now, looking for wildlife. We have already seen a couple of Komodos. We have seen a handful, or pretty much 10 I would say, deers running around, and even a wild pig. It is so exciting. Everybody's getting ready for Manta Point, second try. So second try on the Manta Point. There are like 10 boats over there, so they need to see something, I guess. A little bit of detour to get here now, to get the second chance, but it's definitely worth it. So we hope for some luck this time. Any mantas, William? We have now arrived to Rinca. It's quite amazing because I remember this place exactly from 1997 when I came up to these buildings over there, and then there was a big Komodo dragon just underneath one of the houses. The houses are probably new, but anyways, and then we actually thought that it was a statue. It looks the same, like this.
Jangan ketawa, di sini kecil sesak baju. Ya sering-sering long track biar pinggang kuat. Banyak terbawa sama Komodo dulu. Oh ya? Iya.
totally amazing. I just love this landscape. It is so beautiful and it's so exciting with all the snakes that you can see if you're lucky and the Komodo dragons. It is for sure one of the best places in the world. I love it. Did I really say how much I love this or? Okay, I did. We have seen Komodo dragons, we have seen wild boars, we have seen buffalo, we have seen deers, we have seen lots of monkeys. It's amazing, totally amazing. And we have seen a ranger, that's true. That's true. Did they steal the plastic containers or?
Monkeys,
Yeah.
they bring this away.
Ah, yeah, I see.
That's why I had monkeys.
I forgot. We had another setback, and that was we were trying to extend the trip this morning to stay one more day out on the sea, but unfortunately the captain had to go home to his daughter who is having her birthday. By the way, did I say how much I love this place? Have I said that this is probably the best area in the world that I've set up? And third time I come back here and it is just as great. The only thing I'm thinking right now is when to book a diving trip going here the next time. Soon. It needs to be soon. Now it's time to end the vlog. I am more than 100% sure that these guys on that boat didn't enjoy this trip as much as we do. Just too much luxury. This is so much better.